So I'm just doing a quick review of my summer CauseBox. My first time subscribing to this CauseBox, and so it comes with the magazine that talks about the causes that they support and other stuff like recipes or DIY that you can do at home. Guess they go through products that they usually include and where they came from. So my reason of subscribing for this box is it seems interesting to me of where the products are from, and they support, I would say, not mainstream businesses. They actually support unheard brand products that have good reputation and helps the community and helps the environment. And so I haven't done a lot of research about it, but it seemed like the whole subscription box have a good platform, and so that's the reason why I signed up for this box. And I can always cancel it if I'm not satisfied with the products. But so far, so this is the first time I'm opening it. This is my summer box, and I got it in, I think I got it in May. But I'm opening it right now in July. And so first item is Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid, and so it's a serum, facial serum. And then next is an SPF protecting day cream. Again, I'm not familiar with the brand, but I'm so excited trying different brands anyway. So one is nice. This is my Swell bottle. I love Swell, so this one I'm familiar with. And then I have, this is Smart Facial Cleansing Device, which I like. And so right now I'm using two different devices. I have the Clarisonic, and I also have the that's somebody's phone ringing. I'm using the Clarisonic, and I'm using the Foreo. So, but I think this is something new, PMD, but I've seen so many positive reviews for this one on Instagram, so I think I'll be happy to try that. Can never have way too many cleansing devices. And so this one is a postcard. Oh, a cute one. I can use this for one of my friend's birthday. Okay, and then here, Zoe crossbody. Oh, I actually have a bag inside. I don't remember customizing my CauseBox, so I'm not sure why I have a bag, but this is so cool. I love bags. So this is a surprise, a nice surprise. Just trying to figure out how to open this. I love bags. I love certain brands of bags, but I also am open and trying new brands. Oh, it's hard to open it with one hand. Oh my gosh. Sorry. That's a cute bag. Yeah, Pixie Moon. Okay. It's a cute bag. And it says it's a crossbody bag. Nice. I love it. And it looks like a good leather bag. Interesting. Nice. It's a cute leather bag. So I will use this and I can do a mod shot so that you can see what it looks like. Love it. So I have that, and then I have something else. So these are really good products, and so far I am very impressed. Underwood letterpress. Is that? I think that's all. Let me just open this one and see what it is. Oh, what is this? Oh, a letterpress. Okay, so I think this is a home decoration where I can put the different letters on like a frame, a photo frame I can hang on the wall. Right? I'll have to figure it out. But it looks like to me it's a decoration. It's a decoration. So I will take a picture once figure out what it is. Like I said, I don't remember customizing my CauseBox. I think I signed up for it really quick. One of my friend recommended it to me, and so I got an invitation to sign up, and I think it was like a surprise box for summer, but everybody's raving about how good their summer boxes is. So I signed up for it again for the purpose of I think the mission and the message of this box is pretty good, and I was ready to try it, and I had a really good discount with the first box. So let's count how many items I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bag 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and that is my CauseBox. I am actually very surprised. Like I said, I think I only paid $37 or $34 for all of this. And it's crazy. And also, if there's anything that I don't use or I don't think I'm going to use in any of this trial boxes that I got this summer, I mean, these are really good gifts for your relatives or friends. These are like high quality items that are so good to be included in the box, worth way more than $34. I mean, I can tell you the Swell water bottle is definitely by itself with this size is already 35 bucks at Nordstrom. So I already got my money back just by this one item right here. And then I have a facial cleanser tool. I have a serum. I have a leather bag, and what's this box again? And the letterpress. So I'm so happy about this box. I'm just like so happy, and I have to figure out what this is, and then I'll you know, post it, update it. So you should definitely try it. I think I can give you like a link so that you can get a good introductory price, just like what I have. And they are already talking about the fall box, and it's just so good. I've seen like a preview of it. I'm excited. Thank you.